The Pet Show. The Pet Show. Cody and his sister April decided they want a dog. They head down to the local pet store and have a look around. Cody and his sister April decided they want a dog. They head down to the local pet store and have a look around. It is a very small pet store that doesn't have many animals. It is a very small pet store that doesn't have many animals. The owner of the shop is a nice old man named Mr. Smith. He walked over and greets Cody and April. The owner of the shop is a nice person, is a nice man named Mr. Smith. He walks over and greets Cody and April. How can I help you? How can I help you? He asks. We would like to buy a dog. We would like to buy a dog. April responds. Oh, well, we are not a big pet shop, Mr. Smith tells her. So we only have two dogs to choose from. Oh, well, we are not a big pet shop, Mr. Smith tells her. So we only have two dogs to choose from. They ask Mr. Smith to show them the dogs. They ask Mr. Smith to show them the dogs. Mr. Smith leads them to the back of store where the two dogs are. One of them is a very big bulldog named Buster. The other is a very tiny chihuahua named Teacup. Mr. Smith leads them to the back of the store where the two dogs are. One of them is a very big bulldog named Buster. The other is a very tiny chihuahua named Teacup. Teacup. April wants Teacup. Cody wants Buster. They walk outside to discuss. April wants Teacup. Cody wants Buster. They walk outside to discuss. They can't agree on a dog. They can't agree on a dog. April suggests they race home for it. The winner of the race, the winner of the race chooses the dog. They can't agree on a dog. April suggests they race home for it. The winner of the race chooses the dog. Cody agrees, then tells April her shoelace is untied. Untied. Cody agrees, then tells April her shoelace is untied. When April looks down, when April looks down, he runs off and gets a head start. He runs off and get a head start. He's cunning. Cody is cunning. He runs off and gets a head start. Cody runs as hard as he can. Cody runs as hard as he can. He really wants that bulldog. He looks back. April is so far behind, he can't even see her. He really wants that bulldog. He looks back. April is so far behind, he can't even see her. Cody finally gets home. He is tired, but he is happy. He knows he is the winner. Cody finally gets home. He's tired, but he's happy. He knows he is the winner. April arrives a few minutes after Cody. April arrives a few minutes after Cody. She congratulates him. They return to the pet store to purchase Buster the bulldog. She congratulates him. They return to the pet store to purchase Buster the bulldog. However, when they arrive, they only see Teacup the chihuahua. When they arrive, they only see Teacup the chihuahua. They ask Mr. Smith where Buster is. They ask Mr. Smith where Buster is. Mr. Smith gives the details. He explains that a few minutes late after April and Cody leave, two boys walk in and buy the bulldog. Mr. Smith gives the details. He explains that a few minutes after April and Cody leave, two boys walk in and buy the bulldog. Cody looks at April and she holds back a smile. Cody looks at April and she holds back a smile. Cody sighs. He turns back to Mr. Smith. Cody looks at April and she holds back a smile. Cody sends. He turns back to Mr. Smith. Sometimes you win the race, but not the prize. Cody smiles sadly. We will take the Chihuahua, please. Sometimes you win the race, not the prize. Cody smiles sadly. We will take the Chihuahua, please. This is the end of the story. And if you like it, please subscribe the channel for more such sort of interesting videos about English language, English practices, and many more lessons for a worldwide audience. Thanks. Bye bye.